Welcome to what I eat in a day. Cooking at home edition, healthy edition, what I consider to be healthy. I don't count calories. I just try to eat what makes me feel good. It's breakfast time. Strawberry banana smoothie. Protein smoothie. I feel like everyone's like protein popcorn, protein this, and I'm doing it too, but I don't want to. Okay, I'm not like everyone else. I do not follow a recipe. It's a strawberry banana smoothie, okay? I think we can kind of assume what goes into it. Frozen strawberries, frozen banana, plain non-fat Greek yogurt, and then this is the secret ingredient, vanilla milkshake protein powder. Okay, let me put you guys onto something. The ambiance. I put it in my favorite mug, which is this pink gingerbread mug. Love her. Sugar-free vanilla syrup. 3 pumps of that. And then I do double espresso. Double fisting at 7 in the morning. Also, throughout the day, I am drinking water, but I feel like I can't just sit here and be like, and then I drink water, even though I could, but I just, ugh. Although breakfast is the most important meal of the day, I do have to say that I think what I make for lunch is my favorite. I crave it every day. I try to get everyone onto it. It's not working. This is so good. I feel so classy drinking 2 shots of espresso every morning, especially in like my little mug. But like, too bad I'm adding like lactate milk and 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. Like, you know, it kind of takes me out of the, ooh, I'm in Paris drinking espresso. I mean, okay. I don't think I was ever giving that fully, to be transparent. Smoothie is delicious, coffee is delicious. I am so excited for lunch. So I'll check back in. My most proud accomplishment is like making a well-rounded, healthy lunch. I don't know. Weird flex, I know. I don't care. Oh my god. I need a second. I cannot believe I've done this. Okay. Because I'm not rich, I'm digging the salt out. She is good as new. Salt everywhere. I threw salt into the fire. It was a hard-fought battle. It looks so good, if I do say so myself, even though I know it's going to be perhaps the saltiest thing I've ever had in my entire life. But I do know that the flavor will be there. The charred tomatoes, the super salty egg, carrots with the ranch seasoning. This is not complete yet because I have to add nutritional yeast, because without this nutritional yeast, it's nothing. It's supposed to be like dairy-free cheese, but it doesn't taste like cheese. I don't know, it just has its own flavor. Do you see why I had to show you first? My roommate put me onto this. It's so effing good, and it pairs so well with this. Girl, I have never fought for my life so hard in the kitchen. This is delicious. I don't know why that carrot took me 10 minutes to finish. Now for the main star. I'm so serious. This is one of like the best things I've ever made. I went to this cafe and I had some kind of toast with tomato, arugula, chicken, mozzarella, some green vinaigrette. And so that inspired this. And this is so much better. And this takes like 5 minutes to make. There's some protein, there's vegetable. I'm so scared. I will say the amount of salt in it is like burning my tongue a little bit, but that's just collateral damage. You know what I mean? It's fine. This is so, so, so good. And I consider this to be like a healthy meal. Is it? Midday, I don't want a meal that's too heavy, but I also want to be full, and I feel like this achieves it. But I do like to have my little like side snacks. And after this, I will be having some chia seed pudding with honey. She's crazy. Also, I never liked tomatoes until I had this, but I get these cherry tomatoes because they're smaller and it makes it feel like it's not a tomato. I don't know, but it's so juicy and it's so good. There's so much salt. I'm gonna be dehydrated for the rest of the day. Jesus Christ. It's so good though. I'm sweating from the amount of salt. I got the meat sweats. My eyes are watering. My eyes are watering. That meal was delicious. But yeah, I do need some chia seed pudding because Lord have mercy. Someone made that a little too salty. You're not ready for this. Look how good it turned out. It's so thick. It's like the perfect consistency. Because I need it a little extra sweet after what I put myself through. Doesn't she look so beautiful and delicious? Eventually I want to put like a banana compote type of thing on top. I'm like acting like Gordon Ramsay over here. Yeah, I'll just, you know, whatever. I'm so serious. This is so effing good. I use 1 can of coconut milk, vanilla bean paste, a little bit of salt, and then chia seeds. You can literally put anything into it. It is so, so good. And you just let it sit in the fridge overnight. Like the difference between letting it sit for a few hours versus sitting overnight is a massive difference. And also it's pretty filling. There's a lot of fiber in it. It's really refreshing. I guess because of the coconut milk. I don't know. It's fun, okay? Cooking can be really fun, but you have to make it fun, which is kind of tough. But I feel like I'm excited for it, which is good. We'll circle back for dinner. Girl, I was down so horribly bad, so I was like, you know what? Let's make a matcha. And I know this is not in any way, shape, or form a proper way to make a matcha, but it is really good and it is kind of exactly what I needed. It's almost 3 o'clock and I was so tired. This matcha is so refreshing and so perfect. For real this time, see you at dinner. The current time is 4:30. If you don't know anything about me, I need you to know this. I am a geriatric dinner kind of girly through and through. We're making quinoa, broccoli, and then Trader Joe's orange chicken. I'm going to get the quinoa started so I can eat maybe around 5:30. So this is the quinoa I'm making because duh girl, everything I eat is from Trader Joe's. And then here's the orange chicken I will be having. It's so good. I got this orange chicken once a little bit ago and I was like, it's okay. But then I looked on TikTok to see how people were making it and then I made it that way and I was like, oh my God, it's so good. So that's what we're doing. I would prefer to have jasmine rice with this, but like I said, we're being healthy today. So quinoa it is. Dinner is served. This looks so good. I hope it's good. A root beer, 0 sugar to drink. First bite. I hope this is good. Oh my God. It's like sweet. It's a little spicy. Would suggest jasmine rice just because I love jasmine rice. This is like incredibly easy because it's like air fryer, put it in pan, cook quinoa. I mean, there's a few steps. So good, so worth it. I'm going to sit here and enjoy this. I can like feel it in my soul that I'm going to want to have a sweet treat later. I'm already excited for it. Okay, we'll check back in for the sweet treat. It is that time. Kindle reading sweet treat. These are the milk chocolate covered mini pretzels from Trader Joe's. If you don't know anything about me, the only thing you need to know is that I love a salty sweet combination. Like, look at this. You're kidding me. They're so good. They're so good. So I'm going to have some of those. Read. This is healthy. Life is about balance. I hope this gave you some inspiration for some quick, easy meals throughout the day that are healthy-ish. Girl, we already had this conversation. I'm not having it again. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.